Hi Pisces, welcome to your reading from 5th of April to 20th of April. So for these 15 days, let's see how what guidance do we have from the divine. You're a water sign, very less communicative, very deeply intuitive. So let's see. I'm using my oracle cards and good tarot for clarification, and this video is for you if your sun, moon, rising, that is ascendant, or Venus are in the sign of Pisces. All right, and I'm using my symbol lottery card here again to find out one of the deepest message: gratitude. Okay, I'll pull one card from the Shaman Oracle, and it is thunder in medicine position. So it is the reversed thunder. Okay. Say no to the drama, Pisces. It's very important that during these 15 days time you learn to say no to the drama which is coming from your environment or your own mind which is trying to play with you. It's very important to not give in to unnecessary thoughts, people, talks, gossips, and do not let them pull you back from your journey. So thunder in reverse is actually saying that do you really enjoy when people thrash you, when you get involved in unnecessary situations which are like, so basically, not my monkey, not my show. This has to be your mantra. So it is time to focus on self and self and self. And for that, it is very important for you to make gratitude as your tool. Okay, so let's dive deeper into it through the other cards. Let's see which crystal or archangel is guiding us. This is a two-way card, so whichever side I would pull, the message will be from the other side. Okay, let's see. Okay, so Archangel Uriel. Yeah, so the first line itself says, I am grateful. And here we had the message of gratitude. I am grateful that my vital life force provides me with the energy and motivation to live life to the fullest. So, when you engage into the unnecessary drama by the people, they are saying something, you're getting into their life, you making their nonsense your part of life, and you don't heal yourself or you do not set a healthy boundary for your own self. You actually exhaust your vital energy on something which is not in your highest good. So it is time for that healthy boundary. Use gratitude for that life force which is there in you, which is I believe you also know that your energy is getting wasted on not so important situations. Okay, and financial abundance, your connectivity with divine, all of it is round the corner. Okay, so just work on saving your energy and not wasting it on unhealthy situations. So you have to stand strong. Okay, your health is also, I believe, is getting affected because of the kind of drama you are into. So Archangel Uriel looks after your solar plexus chakra, and this archangel is the archangel of wisdom. So it knows what is important for me, what is not. So and is also the archangel of self-respect, self-esteem, self-confidence. So connect with Archangel Uriel, Pisces, in these 15 days from 5th of April to 20th of April, and in these 15 days make sure that your health improves, your energy section improves, you stop taking unnecessary drama, making unnecessary drama of others a part of your life. Be grateful to the divine for protecting you and guiding you. Now we have the world, the Brahma. So the world is actually a card of new beginning, ending of something and then new beginning. So basically the world actually talks about new beginning rather than the ending. Okay, but normally the rule says that a beginning only happens when something ends, and world is actually on a very positive side. And in Hindu mythology, Lord Brahma is said to be the creator, so Shrishti Karta. So okay, so he is actually he has the wisdom to create. So bring out that vital life energy by being grateful to it, so that you can create something of value in your life. You can create a good health, you can create financial abundance, you can create a new pathway, a new life for your own self altogether. Okay, so Brahma, this card is definitely talking about finishing. The similar card was there, the world card from a different deck was there in the Scorpio reading also. So it is a good beginning which is happening based on gratitude and saving your energy. Let's pull some tarot from Good Tarot card, and we have a jumper card here, which is Queen of Fire. Queen of Fire is, she's a very energetic. Queen of Fire is Queen of Wands, and she is somebody who can motivate people. She's very healthy. She's fit, her skin glows, she has a balanced fire life element, she is a quick decision maker, she's very busy, she's somebody who you can really rely upon her for her energy. She takes decisions like, she doesn't wait for people to guide her. She has that wisdom. That wisdom is in her belly, because fire life element is in your navel, so her navel chakra is activated, her fire sign is activated, and so her heart is open to sharing also. She has so much that she can share. So she's beautiful and she's fit, her skin glows. So this actually means that you are actually moving towards a good health. Now this health can be financial health, it can be your actual health, physical health, it can be spiritual health, or mental health also. So just see how this works, because here I am definitely seeing that there is a positive movement happening based on saving your energy from unnecessary situation, based on gratitude towards the divine or the life force or Kundalini Shakti, whatever you call it, which is already there in you, and you have to emulate the energy of Queen of Fire. So lot is happening at the fire level, or maybe because Archangel Uriel also looks after solar plexus, fire is also solar plexus. Okay, somehow gratitude sign, this is symbologry card is a card of ancient symbols. So this the sign of gratitude that these people in the ancient times used also has a somehow when I look at it, it always gives me a sign of navel. Somehow I don't know, I always look at it as if I'm seeing a navel. So navel is again solar plexus. So somehow a lot of fire life element is there in your reading. Chariot, the water uber, page of air. Chariot is have that determination to move away from what is not serving you, balance your bad and good, balance the mental, the two horses of the chariot, they actually denote your conscious and subconscious mind. So really keeping them under your control. Page of air is page of sword. It is like having that online presence, having that curiosity, having that really studying, understanding the invisible matters, spying about something, talking about something, being online, learning something. So getting into that learning mode. Let's see what is because a lot of movement is definitely there, saving of energy is there, solar plexus is there, health thing is there, gratitude is there, new start is there, because page of air is also a messenger, is also we have 4 of water in reverse. So somewhere down you might have been daydreaming about something, you might have missed some opportunity, but that opportunity, even if you have missed it, there is a positive movement. Okay, so just don't look into your past, what you missed. look onto and stop daydreaming, okay, and look onto what is coming your way, because it's time to balance your good and evil. A lot of energy thing is there, not exactly, whether it is a relationship thing or a money thing, but here, in this message it is written in Archangel Uriel that financial abundance and health, and that is what I am seeing. Money is energy, health is energy. So your money matter and your health matter get sorted once you take control of your energy. Relationship matters definitely take time to get sorted because there are two people involved in a relationship. But here, what I am seeing is the moment you take control of your energy, stop wasting it on somebody else, you make gratitude as your pivot. You start balancing your energy, your health starts to, you become healthy in all aspects of your life, and financial abundance is yours. There's a lot of mental strength also. Be online present, and do not mourn about the missed opportunity. World again. So you have two worlds, Brahma and wow. So you have definitely finished phase, and you're getting into two worlds. It is a very strong thing. So a new phase is anyways opening up for you. You have stepped from the sadistic phase of your life into a positive, new creative phase of your life, and please create it with the energy of solar plexus, Pisces. It's very important. Create now, because fire has a lot of creative energy. Archangel Uriel also talks about, as I said, self-respect and self-love and self-esteem. So do not mourn about, do not daydream, do not mourn about the missed opportunities. Just move on, have the determination of the chariot, balance your good and evil. These 15 days time, you would have finished the phase. Probably it is almost over, and you have learned your lesson. It's just that bits of bits of here and there you have to just streamline. One more card, Pisces, and it's Hermit. Hermit is a card of setting healthy boundaries. Not everybody can reach up to you. You are into self introspection phase, you are into healing phase. You don't listen to people, just like the Thunder card was saying that not everybody's decision or talks has to affect you. Hermit is a card which says he sets a healthy boundary and says, if you want to talk to me, take permission, take appointment, okay, not I am not available. So having that healthy boundary is very important. And two worlds actually says that these 15 days are going to really bring about a major change in your life and a major completion of a phase. So I believe astrologically also you're moving towards a better phase of your life, of more of a good beginning, mental strength, learning, and energetically healing yourself. Work on your solar plexus or work with Archangel Uriel, one and the same thing. One and the same thing, yes. So these 21 days, rather, either 21st April or maybe 21 days from now will be very important, because 21 has repeated. Very nice. So thank you, Pisces, for this wonderful reading. I hope you liked it. Please take care of yourself, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please share this video with your loved ones, like and comment, and do let me know what this world means for you, and how are you working with Archangel Uriel, and what all could you really get out of while working with your solar plexus. So a lot of energy work and energy healing based on gratitude towards your life force you have to do. So take care, please. Let me know. I'll be waiting for your comments. Bye bye.